Ever wonder what's really happening when you crack your knuckles? That loud pop isn't your bones grinding, it's called cavitation. Tiny gas bubbles form in your joint fluid and collapse when you stretch the joint. And despite what you've heard, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. But here's what doctors have noticed. People who crack constantly may have weaker grip, strength, or swollen fingers over time. One doctor even did an experiment cracking only one hand for decades. The result? No arthritis, but a difference in strength. So yes, it's mostly harmless unless you're feeling pain or stiffness afterward. Cracking feels good because it releases tension, but like anything, too much isn't always better.